In this video, we'll be looking at how we can get the user profile details, mainly how we can get the manager details in the Power Apps. So if you look at the screen, these are my details, who is logged in, and these are my manager's details. So let's see how we can get it quickly. So what you need to do is just go to the data source and you need to add this connection, Office 365 users. So if you look at it, Office 365 users, this connection you have to use, this connector you have to use. This will give you the information of all the users. There are quite a lot of functions available using this connector which you can use. So now let's just go back to our screen and see what we have added here. First of all, let's see how we have got the picture profile or the profile picture of the manager. So if you look at this image control, image property, what I've done is I've used this function Office 365 users is a connector, and then if you see here, there are quite a lot of functions available. So I've used user photo v2. This is mostly, if you see, when you see v2, the previous one is deprecated. It's v2 is always the latest one. So this function will give you the profile picture of the user which you have to pass in the ID, which is user principal name or the email address. Now if I pass my email address here, let's say I'll just pass, you can say it will display my user profile picture. Okay, it's getting changed here. Now I want here my manager's profile picture. So what I'm doing here is again using connector, and there is a manager function, manager v2 again, and then in that, whose manager you want, whose manager information you are looking for. So you have to pass him the email address of the user. So I want information of the logged in user manager. So you have to send in the email address of the logged in user. Then you will get the details of the manager, and this will give you whole record for the manager. So if you expand this here, let me just show you. I'll just select this manager object. You can see you'll get all the details like city, location, country, department, everything, whatever you expect from the user profile, you'll get all that details. Then now you can access these properties just as you see on the screen. I've used email address here. You can access all of these properties. So what I'm doing now, I'm getting the manager object, then I'm referring to the email address of the manager, which I'm sending to user photo function. This will give me an profile picture of my manager. So this is how you get the manager's profile picture, and below, as I specified already, from your manager object, you are getting it from the manager v2 function. You can access all the properties like display name, email address, the job title, everything. So that's how you will be able to show it on the screen. You can build whole organization hierarchy using same thing, all these functions. There is one more function for subordinates. You can get the subordinates as well if you want to get the subordinates of yourself or the user which you are choosing. So let me show you. Let me just, you can see these are the direct reportees. This will give you all the subordinates. There is a manager function. There is my profile if you want to get your own profile. If you want to search the user, you can search the users as well. Yeah. See. Well, that's it. In this video, I just wanted to quickly show you how you can get the manager details using this Office 365 users. And there are functions available to get the user profile detail, user profile photos, manager details, subordinates, and all of that. I hope this will help you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for another video.